Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting the right size and condition of your compression gloves. Measure the widest part of your hand and match the chart. This prevents bunching and loss of effectiveness. Once sized, check seams and fabric for holes. Make sure your hands are clean and dry, and remove rings or bracelets so the glove slides on smoothly. Put the glove on with a slow, even motion. Work fingers into place and pull the cuff up until it sits comfortably at the wrist. Once the gloves are on, adjust for even pressure and comfort. Smooth any wrinkles and ensure seams sit along the sides of fingers, not over joints, because that prevents irritation and pressure points. Make sure compression feels firm but not cutting off blood flow. Check that fingers stay pink and warm, and press a fingertip for capillary refill. Return should be under 2 seconds. If you use splints or perform tasks, wear the glove under the device, and recheck fit after activity or every hour. To finish, follow a consistent wear routine prescribed by your clinician or the product. Start with short intervals and increase gradually so your skin adapts. Wash gloves gently in cool water and air dry to preserve elasticity. Replace them when they lose snugness. If you notice pins and needles, numbness, blue or pale fingers, or severe pain, remove the glove right away. These are signs of compromised circulation. If problems persist, make sure to contact your clinician for a fitting review or alternate compression option.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.